Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Crawfish Sharvi, and it's been a while, but I'm finally back, so it's gonna be fun. And now we're gonna make a bunch of videos, okay? So let's get started. And guys, today's question of the day is: what's your favorite color? Comment down below. So the stuff you're gonna need for this video are a paper, a pencil, a pen, a ruler, bunch of sketch pens, plastic bags. You can use polyfill cotton stuffing and memory foam, but I like to use plastic bags. And if you watch my videos, you could definitely guess the next item. Can you guess that in 3 seconds? It was tape. So now we're gonna make two circles, and as you've seen by the title, we're making a birthday cake squishy, and I'm thinking of light colors, not always dark colors. As you can see, I made some circles right there with the help of the tape. And now it's time to make like a pattern between them. You can use any pattern you want, but I'm making like a sprinkly pattern. For is that an easier way to say it? I don't know. And then we're gonna make the width of the squishy, because it's a 3D squishy after all. I'm making it 5 centimeters. You can choose any kind of width you want. It's obviously your choice, but I want it pretty thick, so I'm making it 5 centimeters. And now you're gonna draw the width of this squishy. I just did that, and I'm thinking of putting a little bit pattern on the width also, so I'm also gonna just do that. I just did that. It's not really visible on screen, but I did do it. And now I'm gonna color or outline it first. I like to color first because black pen gets smudged really easily, so I'm gonna color it. Now I'm done coloring it. I did it like a skin, a light pink version, and some sprinkles in the middle, and the back is definitely white. And I forgot to tell you the main part, which is the scissors. I forgot the scissors. So I have the scissors right now, and I'm pretty sure there are scissors in your house. So you're gonna keep your scissors with you, and it's not a need right now, but you have to laminate it first. And please don't forget your scissors like I did, because I'm really clumsy. And now we're gonna laminate it with tape. I just end up laminating with tape, and it looks really weird in the camera, but it's really not in real life. It will look really good, I promise. And please laminate it well, otherwise it will tear up and you will not be able to enjoy your squishy. So I just cut it, and now I'm just gonna tape it, and I'm gonna show you the way I will tape it. So the way I tape it is unusual for some new viewers, but it's actually really easy after you learn. So take a piece of tape, stick it on the side part of it, and then take your front part, put it right there. It's a little bit of a struggle if it's circle, and then slightly stick it to the front part, just like that. As you can see, I'm trying my best. I also haven't made squishies in a while, actually. I don't know why I took a break, but you guys can always comment some new ideas of what squishies, or like new thing, like new crafts and stickers and stuff. So I'm just gonna do this till I can, and I'm gonna come back. So I've done it. The side part and the back part is still left. So now I'm gonna stick the back part same as the front part, and I'm gonna come back. That was the worst transition ever, but I did leave some space to fill up the plastic bags, and now I'm gonna fill up the plastic bags. Please fill as much as you can, otherwise your squishy will be turn out bad. Now I've filled the plastic bags. It's time to tape it all up. Please, could leave a little bit of space, but still. So guys, the squishy is ready, and I've not squeezed it a single time, so hopefully it's really good. Okay? I'm gonna take you a look at it again, and I'm gonna show you guys. So guys, it's time to squish it. 1, 2, 3. Oh my gosh, guys, it's so slow rising. I love it. You can make this and tell your families and friends to make this too. It's really pretty. You can try it with anything else. So, guys, that's it for the video. If you liked it, please like and subscribe if you want to. And if you would like to turn on the notification bells, you can too. It's all your choice. And please comment down below for more ideas since I am running out of ideas sadly. And if you have more ideas, please comment down below, like make stickers or make this squishy. So I will see you next time. Bye, guys.